Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto Asosio. Right, this afternoon I would like to promote this, this beach. You know what? This is very totally awesome beach. Imagine that. This is called what, Nipa Island or Nipa Beach here. This is very totally beautiful like Sabang Island nowadays. But not only by that, not only people but also foreigner every single day. Before COVID-19 to 2019 time, a lot of tourists sitting here, just they spend their time or they spend their life enjoying here and then the season here is very totally awesome. Right, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because you know what, I myself only know as tourist guide I'm going to promote Aceh 5 continents, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Europe. This focus for promoting Aceh exactly. This is very totally awesome. It's like Sabang Island. This is very totally beautiful beach. You know what? It's very awesome. Now I want to go home to my village or my hometown, Banda Aceh. Yeah, 1500. You know what? So don't forget for me. You know what? This is very totally awesome. Alright, that's one more time. Visit Indonesia, exactly Aceh. We call about Pulo Aceh or Pulo Nasi here. Alright, that's my time. Don't forget to like and subscribe YouTube channel, because you know what, my YouTube channel for focus for Aceh 5 content. Alright, that's my time. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.